Hey everyone! Today, we're tackling a problem that a lot of people face but might not even realize. Dust mites. If you've been sneezing, dealing with itchy skin, or even noticing more allergies around your home, dust mites could be the culprit. Stick around because we will show you how to eliminate dust mites once and for all. But first, what are the things you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get into it. Get rid of it! Understanding what dust mites are and why they're a problem. Dust mites are microscopic creatures that thrive in warm, humid environments, feeding off of dead skin cells from humans and pets. They're common in households, especially in bedding, upholstered furniture, and carpets. While they don't bite, their waste products are a major allergen and can trigger reactions like sneezing, coughing, and even asthma. A study published by the National Institute of Environmental Health Sciences found that up to 90% of homes have detectable levels of dust mites. That's why it's crucial to understand how to get rid of them effectively. Here's how. Control humidity levels. Dust mites thrive in humid environments, so controlling the humidity in your home is key. Ideally, you want to keep the humidity levels below 50%. Here's how you can do that. Use a dehumidifier. Place a dehumidifier in areas where humidity tends to build up, like the basement or bathroom. Make sure to empty the water reservoir regularly. Ventilate your home. Open windows when possible, especially after cooking or showering, to allow moisture to escape. If you live in a very humid area, consider using an exhaust fan. Studies have shown that reducing indoor humidity to below 50% can significantly decrease dust mite populations, according to research from the American Academy of Allergy, Asthma, and Immunology. Use allergy-proof covers for bedding. Your bed is a dust mite haven. Think about it. Warmth, moisture from sweat, and dead skin cells. Gross, right? But don't worry, here's how to combat it. Get allergy-proof mattress and pillow covers. These covers create a barrier between you and the dust mites, preventing them from getting into your pillows and mattress. Wash bedding weekly. Wash your sheets, pillowcases, and blankets in hot water, at least 130 degrees Fahrenheit or 54 degrees Celsius, to kill any mites. Make sure to dry them completely in a hot dryer. A study by the Journal of Allergy and Clinical Immunology confirmed that using these covers and washing bedding in hot water can significantly reduce dust mite exposure. Vacuum and dust regularly. But not just any vacuum or dusting method will do. You need to be strategic. Use a vacuum with a HEPA filter. A regular vacuum might just blow the mites and their allergens around. A vacuum with a HEPA filter will trap those tiny particles and prevent them from escaping back into the air. Dust with a damp cloth or microfiber cloth. Dry dusting can just spread the dust mites around. Using a damp cloth or a microfiber cloth will help capture them more effectively. Research by the Environmental Protection Agency shows that HEPA filters are effective at capturing small particles, including dust mites, making this a crucial step in your mite-busting mission. Purify your air. Keeping the air in your home clean is another essential step. Use an air purifier with a HEPA filter. This will help trap airborne dust mite allergens. Place the air purifier in your bedroom or other high-traffic areas for best results. Consider essential oils. Some essential oils, like tea tree oil, have been found to have antimicrobial properties. Adding a few drops to your vacuum bag or using them in a diffuser can help keep mites at bay. Research conducted by the University of Western Australia has shown that tea tree oil can effectively kill dust mites, adding a natural touch to your mite-fighting arsenal. Eliminate dust mite habitats. Finally, it's important to reduce places where dust mites can thrive. Remove carpets and rugs. If possible, replace carpets with hard flooring like wood or tile. Carpets are a breeding ground for dust mites. Minimize upholstered furniture. Opt for leather or vinyl furniture, which is less hospitable to dust mites. Declutter. The less clutter, the fewer places dust mites have to hide. This also makes dusting and vacuuming easier and more effective. A report by the American Lung Association suggests that homes with less carpeting and fewer upholstered surfaces tend to have lower dust mite levels, making this an effective long-term strategy. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to eliminating dust mites from your home for good. Remember, consistency is key. Dust mites reproduce quickly, so keeping up with these practices regularly is essential. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with anyone who could use this information, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on keeping your home healthy and clean. If you have any questions or other methods that have worked for you, drop a comment below. We'd love to hear from you.